Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is June 22nd, 2026. I'm going to do some live trading. So the market has been open for about an hour. I just closed a Iron Condor on RTX. Cost me $21 to close it. But when I opened it about 3 weeks ago, I collected 51. So I made $30 on this. So now I'm going to put a new one, most likely for August. We'll do RTX. We'll select Iron Condor. We'll select a August expiration. Now I need to select the price. I'm probably going to go a little bit further out. And we'll do, I think it's a $5. Oh my goodness, these are $10 now. That's going to take up a little bit of buying power. So I'm going to need some help. So I'm going to look at some of the deltas and the Greeks. So let's select the right date. This is 60 days expiration. The one that I just closed were these. 25 days to expiration. So I'm adding about 35 days using the August. So I closed something that was low probability. I'm probably going to open something a little bit more riskier, depending on how I feel with defense. Now, we're in the middle of a conflict with Iran. So we'll probably go with a 220, I think. 230. 220, 230. So I'm saying it's a 7% risk. And then I'll take a little bit more risk on this side. I'll maybe go with 11% risk of losing here. I'll go with a 155. It's a little bit more risk than I wanted. Let me just see what it looks like. Now, you collect a little bit more premium. Now, if I don't like the risk and think it's too risky, there are many ways for me to do this. I can just go $5 lower, and you collect a little bit less premium. Now, I want to start off at, let's see if we can get that. And there you go. I got it. And you'll see I moved up. I'm a little bit safer on the call side than even before. A little bit riskier on the put side here. And then we gotta wait. Just because we collected the $85 today don't mean we made money. We gotta wait for time to pass, and we'll see what happened with this particular Iron Condor. Next, for XYZ, I have a cover call, and you'll see that the value of this is dropped. So I already made money on this cover call. There are many ways to play it. You can add risk by lowering the strike price. So I can do that right now. And maybe this is the right play. Let me just take a quick look. Maybe I'll play it this way. Collect 12 extra cents. And then if it starts moving up, I can always roll it out because you see how these are in the 80s and the 90s. So I'm just adding risk here to put this at $79 for the strike price. And it looks like it was traded. So that executed this particular cover call by $2 in strike price, and I collected $12. We still have 4.5 days to go. It expires on Friday. So let's fix this trade. There was something wrong here. I picked the wrong price. I was trying to move it up. This one should be 70. That's what it is. Here we go. If I'm moving this up by $2, I need to move this up by $2. And then I like to always add 2 cents in my favor. Let's see what happens here. The trade did not execute yet, and actually you see that it was 16, now it's back to 14, which means there is nobody taking on my trade. I gotta lower my, and let's see, now that one went across. You see that? Tell me if you like live training format. If you do, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. Thank you. Bye-bye.